Strategic marketing follows the STP approach: segmenting, targeting, and positioning. In this video, we will talk about segmenting. Market segmentation is dividing the market into smaller segments. The market contains the existing and potential customers. This market is then segmented basis factors such that the segments are exclusive to each other, but within a segment there will be common characteristics. Brands analyze each segment and create different brand strategies for each segment. For example, in the technology industry, for laptop manufacturers, the market represents people who have the ability to buy laptops. Segmentation is done basis the usage, like students, professionals, and gamers. For each of these segments, products are customized and are marketed differently. There are four broad categories on which consumer markets can be segmented: demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral. Demographic. These include factors such as age, religion, gender, income, education, occupation, etc. For example, in the FMCG industry, the company Britannia has three types of offerings in biscuits: Milk Bikis and Tiger for children, NutriChoice and Marie for the older adults, and a range like Bourbon and Good Day for the young and indulging adults. Geographic. Geographic includes country, region, climate, and population density. For example, McDonald's varies its menu as per the country. The iconic Aloo Tikki burger is catered for Indians only, while Nasi Lemak McD is available in Malaysia only. Next, psychographic. This includes lifestyle, activities, motivation, personalities. For example, in the aviation industry, Jet Airways and Vistara target premium travelers, while Indigo positions themselves as always on time, while SpiceJet focuses on economic travel. Behavioral. These are based on the consumer's relationship with the company. So, for example, brand loyalty, attitude, and benefits that you avail of. For example, cab hailing apps like Uber and Ola, consumers are offered discounts or offers basis their usage of the service. While these four variables are commonly used in segmenting, sometimes brands use a combination of variables for better targeting in their marketing campaigns. Segments should meet the following criteria. Segments must be homogeneous within groups and heterogeneous across groups. For example, if business travelers and leisure travelers have different reactions to an airline, then they cannot be part of the same segment. Consumers within a segment must react similarly to a particular marketing mix. For example, business travelers must respond similarly to a business traveler focused product. Next, feasibility and cost of reaching a segment. If the barriers to enter a segment are very high and the profit margins are low, it may not make sense for the company to pursue it. Thank you for watching this video on market segmentation, where we have answered the questions: what is market segmentation, factors for segmenting consumer markets, and evaluation criteria for market segmentation with examples.